All right, Chapter 2, Section 1, Part 2, Part B, Solving One-Step Equations. What is the solution of 4/5 m equals 28? 4/5 of a number equals 28. I need to find the reciprocal. I need to multiply this by the reciprocal. And remember, when I do the reciprocal, I just flip it over. I take the numerator and the denominator and I switch them. I get 5/4. So 4/5 m equals 28. To get the m by itself, I need to get rid of this 4/5. I multiply by 5/4. Because in doing so, 4 times 5 is 20, and 5 times 4 is 20. 20 over 20 is 1. 500 over 500 is 1. Justin over Justin is 1. I get m equals 28 times 5 over 4. Now I could do the long math here, or I could do a little shortcut. I know that 4 is a factor of 28. How many 4s are in 4? Just 1. How many 4s are in 28? 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Times 1, divided by 1, m equals 35. Now if I plug that back in, 4/5 of 35, if I divide 35 up into 5 equals parts, each one of those parts is going to be 7. 4 of them, 7, 14, 21, 28. Let's try another one. 3/4 x equals 12. I'm going to multiply 3/4 x by the reciprocal 4/3. Because 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 over 12 is, Justin, 1. 12 times 4 over 3. Now again, I'm going to do a little bit of a cheater here. If I didn't, I'd have to do 12 times 4, which is 48, divided by 3. I don't want to do that. I know that 3 is a factor, and it goes in 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16, divided by 1. X equals 16. Story time. We're on page 90, problem number 6. Toucans and blue and yellow macaws are both tropical birds. Here we have the totally realistic toucan Sam, and this is the blue and yellow macaw. The length of the average toucan is 2/3 of what it is on the blue and yellow macaw. Here's what a toucan really looks like. So you can see it looks nothing like toucan Sam. But if a toucan is 24 inches, how big is this guy? We write our original equation, and if I actually wrote this, it would be 24 is 2/3 of L, of length. So multiply both sides by the reciprocal, because 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. And over here I'm going to multiply by 3 over 2. I get L equals 24 times 3 divided by 2, or can I do a shortcut? How many times does 2 go into 24? 12. Hey, good job, Zach. I'm glad you're paying attention. 3 times 12 is 36. The length of that blue and yellow macaw, 36 inches. That's a big bird. Let's try another one. An online DVD rental company sells gift certificates that you can use to purchase rental plans. You have a gift card worth $30. The plan lets you select, or the plan that you select costs $5 a month. How many DVDs per month can you rent? Let's see. I have $30, and it costs me $5 per month, right? $5 per month. Well, that's pretty easy. Just divide both sides by 5. How many months of a plan can I get? 6 months. So for homework, I'd like you to do on page 92, 37 through 59, just the odd problems. Okay?